Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change font on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to change your iPhone font without using a third-party application or software, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your iPhone font, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Under General, scroll down, locate and click on Fonts. Then here you should see System Font and My Font. So go ahead and click on System Font. Now search through the System Font and then locate your choice of font. So just go ahead and locate the choice of fonts you want to use. Then click on the font to download it. So once the font is downloaded, then this font will be downloaded to your iPhone. However, since there is no direct way to apply this font to your system font on iPhone, then here's a workaround that helps you to use this font. Hit the back button once you download the font to the main settings page. On the main settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility page until you get to accessories. Now under accessories, click on keyboards and typing. Once you click on keyboard and typing, you want to click on over typing. Now if over typing is disabled in your own case, go ahead and turn on over typing. Once you turn on over typing, under text, locate and click on font. Then here you should see different fonts available here. Now you can now go ahead and search for the font you downloaded previously. So just search through it and then search for the font. Select the font. Once you selected the font, hit the back button. Then you should see the font changed here. Now whenever you are typing on your iPhone, so let's say you just want to type on your iPhone, then you should see the new font you used. Then just come here and then type. Then you should see the font like this. Is that so? This is where you can easily use the new font style on your iPhone OS 10. So this is called the over typing, and whatever you typed on your iPhone keyboard is going to pop on the over typing. So you see, and this is different from the default font on the keyboard. So that is basically how to change font in iPhone for now. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.